First of all, he wanna say thank you to Quorum Company. He felt so grateful about all this help because he never felt like this.
Han trabajado mucho y muy bien, me han atendido bárbaro.
Okay, he had accident when he was 18 years old and he is now 62. So he was using this kind of prosthetics for 44 years, and then now he feel like great. He never had a treat like this, so he's so grateful with Quorum Company.
Bueno, siempre he sufrido bastante del apoyo.
He used like 10 different prosthetics
He
like
tenido
this kind.
10.
Always he had problems with his legs.
Vivo en Argentina en este momento.
So we are from Argentina, and he came. I'm living here since December, last December, like 6 months. So we were looking in different websites with my wife, Abby Stout. She grew up here. She's from here. We find this company. We read good reviews about the new technology, which is it's a new technology, an amazing technology. And then we call him and we ask him, "You wanna come here?" And he say yes. So this is why he's here. He say it's a new life for him because the new Prosthesis is so comfortable. He feel like great. He can imagine like use another time the old one. So he say he's so grateful, and then he doesn't have more words to be grateful to the company. And then that was so amazing because it was so very quick. He used to need to wait like 2 or 3 months for this leg, and then it's not very good. Like he doesn't feel very good like that.
Son geniales y nunca tuve este trato.
Everybody's great in this company, and then he never received this treat from them. Thank you so much.
Ya está reservado.